You are just in time because I'm going to have this beer. Cheers. Okay, welcome to my video. This is only a short brief video of 3 Amiga games. That's 3 Amiga games that I like. Actually I love, to be honest. Well, when I say love, I mean you'll see what scores I give them all. But yeah, the games are Lotus 1, Lotus 2, and you've guessed it, Lotus 3. So without further ado, let's start the video and have some beer. I will be doing some more Amiga games soon because it's one of my favourite computers of all time. It's actually not my favourite one, but it's right up there. Because I'm sure probably most of you know that this computer right here is my favourite computer of all time. But yeah, so we're going to do some Amiga games today. Only 3, like I said, the Lotus trilogy. And just give me a comment if you wanted me to do any specific Amiga games. I have been asked if I can do Operation Wolf and Speedball 2, which I will be doing. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm a bit tired. Well, I'm not tired, but well, it's gone 9 o'clock on Saturday night, and I'm gonna drink this. Oh, video. Okay, so the first game I'm going to be checking out is Lotus 1 for the Amiga. So this is Lotus 1 by Gremlin, Magnetic Fields. So we start the game. As you can see in a minute, yes, we have the information. So yeah, so we can press fire, and we've got our options right here. So to start the game, now you're presented with your car stereo, and you can choose which music you want. Have that one. So we're going to Italy. So it loads up. And then once it's loaded, we are presented with the game. Now as you can see, you are on the top screen. If you've got 2 players, this turns into a split screen. So we keep going. Watch out for these baddies right here. Ouch. Trouble is, I've put manual gears on, and yeah, it's a bit difficult to play joystick. So we keep going. So I have to. Actually, let's change this to automatic gears because it's a bit difficult with the joystick at the moment. So we go for the process again. So if I go on, no, you bean! Didn't mean to do that. I'll press fire when you're not supposed to press fire. So we keep going and try that again, shall we? Yeah, so we have computerized gears. I'm trying number 1 this time. So we're on Italy. Wait for it to load again. We'll actually get there in a minute. How are all my YouTubers? Are they all? Is everyone okay out there in the YouTube world? So we go, and we're off. So it looks like the other cars in the garage having a bit of work done right there. Music's pretty good. Graphics are nice. Shame you don't get a full screen but for your viewing game, but you'll notice that you've got your gear, your MPH, your RPM, your fuel, and what position you are. I'm not doing too good. Top left you've got points between each checkpoint. There's a checkpoint, so we keep going. Ouch! You just ran me right off the road right there. Have some of that. So we can stop at the pits. Have our car fixed. Give us some more fuel, as you can see. So we keep going on our way. So that's Lotus 1 on the Amiga, and I'm going to give it a nice 8 out of 10. Good boy! Okay, the second game I'm going to look at is Lotus Turbo Challenge 2. This is a sequel to the first Lotus, obviously. Another Gremlins game, Gremlin graphics game. So it's loading up nicely. This is a floppy drive version. I think that's the only version you can get actually. So I'm presented with the music. Oh yeah. Oh, said we didn't even see that. So yeah, so this is Lotus 2. Listen to that music. So we start the game. As you can see, you are presented with a totally different options this time. So we put on automatic again, and yeah, so yeah, you can have keyboard on this one as well for the second player, but let's bizarrely you can't on first player. You only can have joystick. So yeah, you can have a link up with 2 Amigas as well if you've got the right cabling and stuff. But this one doesn't have any music. They lose the stereo of Lotus 1, and so you just get the sound effects on this one. So as you can see, the first level is a forest course. So let's start it. So now the speech. So as you can see, you've now lost the split screen and you've got a full screen. It does retain a split screen if you put it in 2-player mode though, but you don't have the pits or the fuel anymore. That is now gone. Yeah, so we keep going. So this is Lotus 2. As you can see, the graphics are very beautiful and nice. The clouds and the sky and the trees and everything look gorgeous. Well drawn. So we're going flat out. Ouch! You do bounce a lot on this off the things. It's like a bumping car, as you can see. Every other car's a Lotus as well. I think that's a green one up there. And so yeah, we keep going. Yeah, so I've took him. Ouch! Ouch! Checkpoint! So we keep going. See if I can overtake him. See if I can undertake him. Have some of that. So they're not all part of the race. These are just like innocent drivers, probably. So we keep going. Whoa! Watch out for them rocks right there, because they will slow you down. Off we go on our cruising mission. Ouch! You gotta watch out for like these signs as well, because everything makes you bounce. See what I mean? Ouch! 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 Running out of time. I made it to checkpoint, so it's alright. Ouch! So yeah, so this is Lotus 2. Great little game on the Amiga. Oh, you can use these to jump. Jumps nicely, as you can see. Jump over the water, because the water slows you down. Not by much, but it does. So we keep going. 129 miles an hour now, breaking the speed limit twice. Gotta watch out for these. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I just jumped over right there. Three seconds to go. I'm not gonna make it. Oh, just made it to checkpoint. So yeah, so you get the idea of Lotus 2, and I'm going to give Lotus 2 another 8 out of 10. Goodbye. So lastly but not leastly, we're looking at Lotus 3. This game actually comes on 2 discs, unlike the other two, the first two. So, well, upon inserting disc 2, when it requests us to, we're presented with this animation right here. As you can see, it's got the open road and some nice clouds and quite an atmospheric soundtrack. 1992 magnetic fields. Now, here comes the vehicle in question. I'll get out the road if I was you. Ouch! That must have hurt. That's a Lotus badge in your face. That Lotus. Lotus 3, the ultimate challenge. Okay, there it is. Ultimate challenge. It is absolutely the ultimate challenge to understand. So we keep going. It's going to load up now. It's going to load up nicely. So there's the music. The music in Lotus 3 is awesome. We're going straight into demo mode. As you can see, we are presented with a similar menu to Lotus 2 in a minute. Now the great thing about this Lotus is it's got something called Constructor RECS, which is right here at the bottom, and this allows you to define your own tracks, sort of. You can choose, you can't actually draw the layout of the track, but you can choose how much curves you want. So you can like put little curves, loads of hills, loads of scenery. And what it does is it generates a code, and the game is programmed to look at this code and then generate the level from the code, depending on how you set it. As you can see on the top right, when you move these, it's changing the letters. And you can do all this while the awesome music is playing. You can even change the difficulty, and you can have what scenery you want. You can have like that, and like all these down here. We'll have snowy. No, we'll have roadworks actually. No, actually, we'll have motorway. So let's try that. I think it's there. You've got to go on question mark to play your course off. If I remember right, I'm not sure though. So yeah. So we start the game. Put it on automatic. And like I said, this game's got some awesome music. Really shows what the Amiga can do in terms of its amazing sound processor. You can choose your car. 3 cars to choose from. I'll be the L and C. Now, just like in Lotus 1, the car stereo is back, so now you can choose your music again. We'll load in the music. as you can see. Takes a few seconds for each one. So yeah, that one's the same as the one on the options screen, like the title music. Number 4 is great. I like number 4. We'll have number 4 because I like number 4. Now it should, in theory, be the Roadworks. If it's not, then it hasn't chose my level. Alright, I think you gotta press something else. But yeah, so it plays this groovy tune while you're waiting for the level to load, and then it will come on. So as you can see, the music you chose in the car radio selection is now on. Listen to that music. In full stereo. Now Lotus 3 is similar to Lotus 2, except for it's got the additional music, and I think the logs are removed. I'm not sure what you can jump on. But yeah, the music's amazing. The only downside is you can't have music and sound effects at the same time, but that was common on Commodore computers with a lot of games. Commodore 64 had a lot of games like that as well. You either have to have one or the other, not both simultaneously. So yeah, just like on Lotus 2, gone is the fuel and the pits. But all the additional stuff on it makes up for that. You can have 2 players again on this. It would just put it back into a Lotus 1 style split screen. So yeah, so Lotus 3 is the best of the bunch in my opinion, even though I do like Lotus 2 and 1. And I'm going to give Lotus 3 9 out of 10. Good boy!